Hello, day 2. And look, I've got a little friend. She's a bee, or a wasp, or a fly, or a fairy. We haven't decided yet. Okay, I'm going to talk about tiny house. Day 2 of our workshop. At the end of day 1 we got the structure up. And now we've got our cavity battens installed. Or a rain screen in North America. These ones are kind of cool. Because they are breathable somewhat. We also got our vertical battens around, preparing for our window. And we got our exto seal, I'll show you later, membranes done. We also got the rest of our frames up. And we got our lentils up for our window. And we, coming around to the front door, we just started putting in our pure wall insulation, which is so sweet in New Zealand to work with that stuff. It's somewhat cost prohibitive in North America, but there's so many sheep here that it's totally doable. Yep. Our whole interior, we're doing this in a very interesting way. It's essentially a passive house design, but in a tiny house frame. So the way that it's being detailed is we've got this truss, which is a wall and roof system. You could call it a bent, maybe, in North America, and if you're thinking about a timber frame or a barn raising. And that's pretty much how we did it. I talked about that yesterday with the gussets and such. There, and around there. So they're all stood up now, and then we got our battens and our apex blocking done to hold it all straight.
Are you talking to the camera?
Yeah, I'm talking to the camera. And also what we did today, what we taught today, actually Bryce was teaching a lot about this because his tiny house in the US used the same thing. So we've got our exo seal, our proclaimer, and because we're in a workshop, we went and taped up every single staple hole, which is pretty fun. The other thing, and the thing that is maybe more of a detail that would be like a passive house, is that we've got interior cavity battens. These are going to continue around here, and so inside of this chase is where we're going to run our plumbing and our electrical. So then we're not piercing our vapor barrier in order to get everything through the wall. We've got a second cavity. This Intello stuff's breathable, so after we've done our services, we're also going to insulate that space. So we've got really good R value, really good air tightness, and this is where we're at. Day 2. There's going to be a loft up there. You'll see that come in later. Tomorrow we're going to do the rest of the wall insulation. We'll finish off the Intello on the inside. We'll brace our outside, and we'll keep moving through this process. That's it. See you tomorrow. Oh, actually, I should take you in there, but tonight we've got a talk going on right now. We've got like 6 tiny house owner builders, and so everyone in the workshop is peppering them with questions. So it's already been going on for a couple of hours, and I think it'll probably go till the wee hours in the morning because there's a lot of questions and a lot of people who want to build tiny. Ciao!